Consider the subtraction problem 364 minus 278. Explain how to mentally calculate the answer by adding up. Demonstrate using a number line. So we're using the missing addend method here. So we're saying if I want to do 364 minus 278 equals what? Okay. This is equivalent to asking 278 plus what gives you 364. So we're going to add up from 278 till we get to 364 and figure out how many we added. So we can use a number line to keep track of our work. So I'm going to start at 278, and I'm going to add by strategically making tens and hundreds. Okay. So I'm going to add 2 to 278 to get me to 280. Okay, so I'm adding 2, so that gets me to 280. And then I'm going to add, remember I'm trying to get up to 364. So I'm going to add 20 because that's easy to add to get me to 300. So big jump here, adding 20, and that gets me to 300. And I want to get to 364, so I'm going to add 64 now. Okay, so how many did I add all together to get from 278 to 364? Add up my steps. So 64 plus 20 is 84, plus 2 is 86. So my question mark, the number I added, is going to be 64 plus 20 plus 2, which is 86. Demonstrate the computation 364 minus 278 using base 10 blocks. Okay, so I'm going to start with 364, which is 3 flats. 64, so 6 longs. And 4 singles. Okay, and now I want to take away 278. So I can take away 200 right away. Just bam, bam, 200's gone. Now I want to take away 7 tens. I want to take away 7 longs, but I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 longs to take away. So I'm going to have to borrow some longs from this remaining flat. So I'm going to take this flat and I'm going to break it into 10 longs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have plenty of longs. I can take 7 of them away. Okay, so I'm going to take 7. So maybe I'll take these 7. Gone. That's taking away my 7 longs. So I've taken away 2 flats. I've taken away 7 longs. Now I need to take away 8 ones, but I don't have 8 ones, so I'm going to borrow from one of my longs. I'm going to take one of my longs and make it 10 singles. Okay, and now I'm going to take away 8 ones. So like this. 8 singles, take them away, and let's see, what do I have left? I have no hundreds because I took away 2, and one of them I traded in for 10 longs. Okay, so I have no hundreds left. In fact, maybe I should cross that out when I traded it. Cross out the trades when you trade them. Okay, so now I have no hundreds, and how many longs do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 longs, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. 8 longs, 6 ones, 86. Carry out the same computation, 364 minus 278, using the traditional algorithm. 3, 6, 4 minus 2, 7, 8. Okay, so we're going to do 4 minus 8. Uh-oh, can't do that. So I'm going to go to the tens place and borrow. 14 minus 8 is 6. 5 minus 7, can't do that. So I go to the next place value and borrow. 15 minus 7 is 8. 2 minus 2 is 0. So the answer is 86.